Ethereum just had a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Ethereum, we had a massive move to the downside. You guys already knew from my previous video yesterday, I mentioned the fact that if the 1278 level does not hold and we start to consolidate in between this resistance, we are looking for a massive continuation, possibly down to the 1150 level, if not lower. As of right now, we do have a very clean confirmation of this level. Do not be obviously looking for that long position just yet, because of the fact that we are not done completing this move. This move should end around this level here at the 1150 wick and then the continuation. Now, of course, we could be looking for a nice pullback opportunity before we continue pushing lower, because of the fact that we are now entering the oversold regions on the 4-hour time frames. So what exactly happened on Ethereum? Well, simply putting it, you can see from yesterday's video, we were testing the 1278 level, and I mentioned the fact that we should be looking for even this move at 1240 to complete, because this is where the move set started. You can see that we did complete that move, but immediately after, we had a very nice dump on Ethereum with a strong move to the downside, liquidating all of the positions that were obviously looking for that long opportunity. As of right now, we do have a small candlestick being formed in terms of a pullback. We could be looking for a continuation right here at 1250, something like this, and then the continuing move to the downside. So be very careful about entering that shorting position as of right now if you have not entered that position just yet. Looking at the overall move set though on Ethereum, you can see that that is a very extremely bearish move set, because of the fact I mentioned to you guys, this level right here at 1331 is going to act as a very strong resistance point. You can see that we got to the 1331 level, rejected it completely, and then had the continuation move to the downside. There was a bullish case scenario yesterday if we did find that support on 1278 and then the continuation, but you can see as of right now, we just simply did not see that support level at all. We saw that massive move to the downside and then the continuation. So as of right now, Ethereum is looking extremely bearish. My overall analysis was always going to be around that $1,000 mark. You guys already knew that from my previous videos. That is my main level of focus. It has always been my main level of focus because of the fact that this is a major daily support. Of course, if that $1,000 level breaks, which I do think it will, because of the fact that we have tested this level 3 times already, we could be looking for a massive capitulation, possibly down to 723 before we finally continue pushing on higher. Now, looking at Ethereum in terms of a bullish case scenario, although there isn't one, we have to prepare for both sides of the scenario. If we do expect a bullish case scenario, pay very close attention to 1331. We would have to see a strong V-shaped formation followed by a continuation and then that move continuing higher, because otherwise then this would just be another consolidation zone where we get extremely choppy waters and then continuation. Now, looking at the hourly time frames on Ethereum, you can see that we broke the hourly support almost perfectly. We had a beautiful support level here on the hourly at 1250, which I mentioned in yesterday's video has decent chances of having a nice rebound, but you can see we completely broke that level and had that massive move. A lot of traders on the hourly were also looking at this head and shoulder pattern as well, because we did have a nice valid head and shoulder being formed, but of course immediately after the right shoulder formed, we saw that massive dump opportunity. I already warned you guys about that in yesterday's video, that pay close attention to how the hourly plays out. If we do see a clean break and then the consolidation, that will give you guys the opportunity to look for that shorting position overall. And you can see that if you did take that advice, you guys are up a lot of money as of right now. Of course, in terms of a pullback, we have to be very careful here, because of the fact even on the hourly we are starting to see oversold conditions. So I would wait for a nice pullback before entering that continuation short. But overall, guys, if Ethereum cannot break above 1331, things are looking extremely bearish. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.